Welcome to Cunnekt, your trusted WhatsApp business API solutions provider. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of creating WhatsApp carousel cards in your marketing templates, making it more engaging and interactive. Let's get started. WhatsApp carousels are a game changer for businesses looking to showcase multiple products and offers in a single message. Instead of sending a long list of items, you can display scrollable cards with images, product names, and call to action buttons all within WhatsApp. On your Cunnekt dashboard, choose the template option. Once you're inside the template window, click on the Create New Template button. On the Create Template page, enter the template name and choose template type as marketing, as carousels can be created using marketing templates only. Lastly, choose the template language as per your intended demographic. Next, choose the carousel options to make a carousel type template. Now, enter content for the message's body. You can also add variables to the body section to give personalized experience to the recipient. Now, let us create carousel cards. To make cards interactive, you can add links in your carousel cards. Like for clothing brand company, you can create carousel cards for each product and attach buttons like. These set buttons will be common to all carousel cards, and you can individually label them as per the card. To create individual carousel cards for clothing products and wearables, you can begin by uploading a shirt image for card 1, add the promotional text for the shirt in the body section, and label the attached buttons, quick reply button labeled as Buy Now. Website link button labeled as Visit our A-Store. Likewise, you can add another card too for denim jeans, add image and label the response buttons. And so on. Note that Cunnekt allows you to add up to 10 cards in a single carousel. After creating all cards, you can preview the carousel on the right side of the window. Add all the cards and click on the Create Template button. This sends your carousel template to Meta for approval. Meta usually takes 15 minutes to 24 hours to approve the template. Once approved, you can now send the template to the intended WhatsApp users. To send the WhatsApp carousel message, go to the chat section and click on the New Chat button. Here, enter the mobile number and name of the recipient, and select the carousel template from the drop-down. Review the message and click on the Send button. Witness the carousel slider on the user's chat window. Here, users can click on options like Buy Now to initiate purchase or click on the Visit A-Store button to check out more wearables. To know more about such features on Cunnekt, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.